Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Amazon Prime Video download problem. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of steps you can follow in order to fix this problem. The first being restarting your application. So try to force close your Prime Video application and reopen it. If that doesn't work, try to verify you have enough free space and that your internet connection is stable, at least 1 MB per second for SD or 5 MB per second for HD. Deactivate any VPNs or proxies that you might have enabled in order to go ahead and fix this problem as your device operating system. Also, ensure that your device operating system is fully updated. In order to do so, simply go ahead and open your settings and then tap on General. Click on Software Update, and this is where you can update your mobile iOS. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.